Welcome back to my channel. Donna Parsons here. And in this video today, I'm going to show you two super easy Excel formulas designed to simplify help desk tasks. The first one is flagging urgent issues fast. And the second one is tracking your ticket resolution times. So the first one, I have my mouse selected in cell G4. And let's just take a look at what we're doing here. So we have the ticket numbers, we have the issue, and then we have the priority, the date open, the date closed, and whether or not it's resolved. So the escalation flag column is going to reflect. In the C column, it says the word high. We want to escalate it in the G column. So the formula is this guy right here. I already have it typed out. That's exactly what it's going to look like. So let's go ahead and let me left click my mouse in cell G4, and we're going to find insert function. So there's two ways of doing it. You can come up to the formula tab in Excel and come all the way over to insert function. Or the shortcut that I've showed you in the past is just to select the insert function to the left of the formula bar, and it will bring up the same box that you need. If you do not see your if function here, because most recently used is by default, you can just type in if here and click go, and your if function should show up. The if function tells you, checks whether or not a condition is met, and returns one value if it's true and one value if it's false. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And so the formula is if C4 is equal to the word high, if it's true, then put the word escalate box. Okay. If it's false, just use the word normal. And I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And now you have the word escalate. So let's drag this down, just the ones that are closed. And you can see that the ones that have high are escalated. So let's drag this down a little bit more, and you can see the rest of them are normal. Now we could modify this. If we didn't want anything to show up in that escalation flag, we could also modify that. So let's go back up to our formula bar, and instead of having the word normal, I'm going to take out the word normal, and I'm going to have quote space quote, and I'm going to press enter on my keyboard. And when I do and drag my autofill down, you can see that it gets rid of the escalate, the word normal, and it leaves the cell blank. All right, so let's go over to Helpdesk 2. And now we're going to be doing the formula network days. So we want to know how long it took our technicians to resolve the issue in days. So that is called network days. So I'm going to left click my mouse over here in the H column, and I'm going to insert my function, and I'm going to find network days. And network days says returns the number of whole work days between two dates. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. And the start date is going to be D4. The end date is DE4. So 2 resolution days it took to resolve that issue. And when I drag my autofill down just to the closed tickets, you can see that it filled in the correct amount of days. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. If you'd like me to cover anything else, by all means, leave something in the comments. Have a great day. Peace out.